In recent days, the ocean around Hawaii has shown the first signs of something terrifying brewing beneath the surface. Deep below the waves, the seafloor stirred with heat, pressure, and volcanic force as Kilauea once again reminded the world that this island chain sits on one of the planet's most dangerous geological hotspots. What looked like a calm stretch of water could quickly become the stage for fire, steam, and destruction. For many people, Kilauea is just another volcano in Hawaii. But in reality, it is one of the most active volcanoes on Earth, and its power reaches far beyond the crater itself. Beneath the island, molten rock moves through hidden cracks and channels, building pressure until the Earth can no longer contain it. When that happens, the result can be an eruption that reshapes the land, sends ash and steam into the sky, and threatens everything in its path. What makes this event especially alarming is the connection between the volcano and the ocean floor. When volcanic activity pushes through underwater vents or weak points in the crust, the seafloor can erupt violently, releasing intense heat and gas into the surrounding water. The sudden contact between magma and seawater creates explosive steam, violent bubbling, and collapsing rock formations that change the underwater landscape in seconds. Fishermen have reported strange boiling patches, and underwater cameras captured glowing cracks splitting open like wounds in the ocean floor. The power of Kilauea is not just about lava flows you can see. Much of its danger comes from what happens before the eruption is even visible. Earthquakes, ground deformation, and shifting magma chambers signal pressure rising underground. Scientists closely monitor these signs because once the volcano begins to move, the warning time can be shockingly short. That uncertainty is what makes Kilauea so unpredictable. As the eruption unfolds, the effects spread quickly and mercilessly. Lava destroys roads, homes, forests, and infrastructure. Hot gas and volcanic haze pollute the air, while ash and rock fragments damage ecosystems. In coastal areas, lava meeting seawater creates unstable cliffs, toxic steam clouds, and sudden bursts of volcanic material. Even the ocean suffers as temperature shifts and mineral changes disturb marine life, killing coral and fish in affected areas. For Hawaii's residents, this is not a distant natural event. It is a real and ongoing part of life. Communities near Kilauea know the ground beneath them can change without much notice. Evacuation plans, emergency alerts, and scientific monitoring are routine. The beauty of Hawaii comes with a powerful reminder that nature here is alive, active, and constantly transforming. One of the most fascinating facts about Kilauea is how long it has shaped the island. Over thousands of years, repeated eruptions have built new land, expanded coastlines, and created Hawaii's dramatic landscapes. In a strange way, destruction and creation happen together here. Lava destroys what stands in its path, but over time it forms new ground that becomes part of the island itself. Scientists study Kilauea because every eruption provides valuable clues. Instruments track seismic activity, ground movement, gas emissions, and heat changes to understand what's happening underground. This monitoring helps warn residents and improve response efforts. Even with advanced technology, however, volcanoes still keep part of their mystery. What makes this story so gripping is the contrast between beauty and devastation. Hawaii is often imagined as a paradise of blue water, green slopes, and peaceful beaches, yet beneath that calm surface lies one of nature's most powerful forces. The same land that attracts millions of visitors is built by fire, shaped by eruption, and constantly exposed to the possibility of change. That is the hidden truth of Kilauea. It is both creator and destroyer. And so, as the ocean floor erupts and Kilauea's hidden fury spreads beneath Hawaii, one thing becomes clear: this volcano is never truly silent. It waits, it builds, and when the pressure becomes too much, it explodes into action with a force that can change the land forever. The question is not whether Kilauea will erupt again, but when, and how much of the island will be forced to face its next wave of fire.